Hello students, welcome to this series of mathematics lesson. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. In this lecture, we will prove the theorem 2.2, which states if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. In this case, the two sides are AB and AC, and the dividing line is DE, which divides in the same ratio. Then the line is parallel to the third side. What is the third side of the triangle which is remaining? BC. The line DE is parallel to BC, the third side. Now let us prove the theorem. From the previous theorem, we proved that AD divided by BD is equal to AE divided by EC. Now let us prove this theorem by assuming that DE is not parallel to BC. Instead, one more line DE dash is parallel to BC. Of course, we know this is not true. For the sake of proving this theorem, by using the contradictory method, we will prove this theorem by assuming that DE dash is parallel to the side BC. From the previous theorem, we know that AD by DB is equal to AE dash divided by E dash C. Here, can you notice a strange thing here? Here, we know that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by AC. We will replace the right hand side of this equation here. So AD divided by DB becomes AE divided by EC. Now let us see the triangle again. This is the previous equation which we arrived in the previous slide. Observe the triangle here. Here we can notice that AE dash plus E dash C is equal to the whole length of AC. So AE dash plus E dash C is equal to AC. Then AE plus EC is equal to the whole length of AC. Right? Now we will do some manipulation. AE is equal to AC minus E dash C. So basically we are subtracting E dash C on both sides in the first case. So we will get AE dash is equal to AC minus E dash C. In the second case, we are subtracting EC on both sides. So the second case becomes AE is equal to AC minus EC. AE is equal to AC minus EC. Now we will replace these two cases in our arrived equation. AE is replaced with AC minus EC from here, and AE dash is replaced with AC minus E dash C from here. Now we will divide individually with EC on left hand side. This becomes AC divided by EC minus EC divided by EC, which is nothing but 1. On the right hand side of the equation, we will divide individual terms with E dash C. So AC divided by E dash C minus E dash C divided by E dash C, which is nothing but 1. Since we have got same terms on both sides of the equation, we will discard minus 1. Minus 1 gets cancelled. Once we cancel minus 1 on the both sides of the equation becomes AC divided by AC is equal to AC divided by AC. Again we can cancel AC and AC on both sides of the equation. Finally we arrived with 1 divided by AC is equal to 1 divided by E dash C. We will take the reciprocal of this. Finally the equation becomes AC is equal to E dash C. EC is equal to E dash C, which is not possible. We are contradicting our assumption. Hence, DE is parallel to BC. The content of this video is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore. under fair usage policy. This video is presented by Havari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.